Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 3.4 and today I'll check if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protector, some kind of the foil or tempered glass. So let's turn off our screen and just take a look closely. Definitely on the edges. Here we cannot spot here any kind of the protection. So I can recommend you to buy tempered glass or thin foil. It will protect your screen from scratches, and tempered glass will protect also from the breaks if your smartphone fall on the ground. And even the cheap protector will be useful, so definitely just get it. And yeah, I don't know if I said it before, the screen is totally flat, so you can use very cheap tempered glass. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.